In 3 minutes, I'm going to explain to you why you should start trading gold. Gold is not just a pretty shiny metal, it's used as a safe haven. When the world goes to shits, the prices of gold goes up. This is because gold has its own value. Its value is not derived from another country or for our economic system or anything like that. And the American dollar was once backed by gold, but in 1971 that was brought to an end by President Nixon because we literally couldn't afford to have it anymore. When interest rates are higher, the price of gold usually drops because people are now wanting to gain interest off of their money that they're keeping in the bank. So they're going to put their money in the bank inside of the dollar instead of keeping it in gold, which really doesn't bring them any interest, right? But when interest rates drop and they're not earning any money off of the money that they have in banks or off of the dollar in general, they're going to put their money into gold because that's when gold is going to skyrocket because it's worth more. Several countries like China, India, and Russia are all banding together and buying tons and tons of gold, placing their reserves so that they can get away from using the US dollar and start using their own form of currency actually backed by gold. One that actually has value instead of just deriving its value from the government. And you guys, there's only so much gold in the world. So once that gold starts actually running out, the price of gold is going to skyrocket. But gold shines brightest when there's a lot of political turmoil, economic turmoil, and just a lot of distrust in the government and the economy as a whole. And that's exactly what's happening right now. Stuff is not just happening in America, it's happening all over the world. And that's why all over the world, people, traders, investors are putting their money inside of things like gold ETFs, which is where you don't have to necessarily have gold like the physical thing. You can just have an ETF where you own it, you definitely own it, but you don't like have it in your hand, which is really good and very convenient in this digital age that we live in, you guys. And just speaking for America, inflation is literally creeping up on us, you guys, and inflation is a silent tax on our money. But gold protects against this. It's historically proven that as the dollar loses its value, gold goes up. And the US dollar is going down, you guys. That's why they formed crypto. That's why they're trying to wipe out all the debt using all type of different forms by taxing their own American companies and things like that. Like, it's getting real. The US dollar is going to fall. They're literally trying to make stable coins to where we don't even have the US dollar anymore. The reason why I say you need to start trading gold is because gold is going to continue to keep going up and up as long as our economy is going down and down. And it's only going to go downhill from here, you guys. We still haven't gone through the stock market crash, the housing market crash. We haven't even experienced that yet, but it's coming. It's definitely coming, and you want to have a position in gold. You buy and you hold. You have a position in it, okay? Wait for it to go down just a little bit, all right? And then, boom, get in and stay in. I want you guys to treat this gold position like a Bitcoin. Back in the day when everybody was like, buy Bitcoin, people was like, I'll do it when I feel like it. No, do it right now. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity waiting for the perfect